Hey y'all. Hey. So I have already printed off my stickers and I designed them in Cricut Design Space. I have the paid edition, but you really don't need it because I uploaded my designs from my Pinterest board. I just put a lot of inspirational images and things together that resonate with me and what I'm doing, and I just created a board that I posted up in my room, and it's just a board that I have for like inspiration and things that I read every day and look at, and it's like my my wish board. And the board is actually from Walmart that I purchased years ago. It's a cork pin pushed board. You can find it at any Walmart. I'm sure they're still there. And I just love to craft, so it's going to be all kinds of things that I show on this channel. But for today, this is my vision board or my inspirational board. And the paper that I used is from Koala. It's a Koala vinyl sticker paper, and I have it in 11 by 17, the glossy finish. And I use my 15,000 printer. You may see it next to me in the video. That's the 15,000 Eco Tank from Epson. And so I just use that, my regular ink. And what we're going to do is just, when I did print out my stickers, I used photocopy print setting, photocopy glossy, because the ink will smear on these types of paper. So it's best that you get your settings correct before you print. But you could just work with it, because I ended up like troubleshooting, because I did notice sometimes it would smear, and I think it depends on the paper you use as well. But for this particular paper, I put it on the photocopy printer setting in glossy, and it came out beautifully without smearing, so I can wipe my finger across it and nothing transfer over. And when I printed these out, I made shapes first. I made different shapes, which should be in the free section of Cricut Design Space. You should have access to that. I just picked different types of shapes that I cropped my images out of, so they would be, eye-catching and just fun and relatable to me. And I also printed some butterflies. Now, I'm not sure if those are in the free Design Space, but you can find any free designs that you like. For me, I like butterflies, so I picked butterflies for my accents to go on my board. So what you'll see here is just me organizing the images, but I did cut them out after I made those different shapes and everything in Cricut Design Space. And I did use my Cricut cutter to cut them out, because I was not going to go on and cut them out by hand, because I think I got like 3 pages of stickers. And for the cut setting, I used the kit cut setting. And the difference, I just had to learn and memorize, because I always flip-flop between the two. We have a die cutting option and a kiss cutting option. And if you don't know, the kiss cutting option is when you peel the sticker off of the paper. So you have that whole sheet, like I have that whole 11 by 17 sheet. And when I get ready to peel my image off, I just peel it like you would peel a normal sticker. I don't have to have them individually cut out. Now, if I was selling these stickers, like I do sell stickers, and I also give stickers when people order. Sometimes, when it depends on what you order, people order from me, and I make the stickers from their logo that they provide, you know, just so they can have and they can pass out, or they can put them in their orders when they ship out orders. So those will be die cut stickers, because that is the one you want to sell or give away, and it always has the backing on it, and it's all cut out and as one piece, and then they can peel them off individually. But your kiss cut is what I did here. So as you can see, I peel my sticker off of the backing of the paper, and just peel up my sticker and place it down. So it's not individually cut. Only the sticker part is cut away from the backing of the paper. So that's what we're gonna do here. I probably speed it up if you don't want to sit and watch me place them, because I'm trying to make sure I can put them in a nice little arrangement and make sure that I don't overlap them. And I also put my beautiful butterflies on there, and I put them off to the sides of the board so it will give that beautiful highlighted 3D effect, and it came out beautifully. But yeah, we're gonna just go on and do these. And the good thing about this sticker paper and this cork board, you can lift them up after you put them down. They're not permanently stuck. So you can reuse them, you can change them out, because I already know there's something else that I want to put on my board. And as you'll see later on, I don't have space because I filled up the whole board. So I may change some out, and you can just change them out based on your mood. And that's the good thing about this design and this board and the sticker paper on the cork, because you can peel it up. If you make a mistake, you can peel them up.